Hello, hello everyone, how are you? Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Espero estén muy bien. I hope you guys are doing very well. Let's learn together, shall we? Come on! Okay, the very first phrase is pasarlas de Caín, to go through difficult times. Sometimes we are dealing with a very hard situation and we need to roll with the punches. We have to say pasarlas de Caín to go through difficult times. Estoy pasándolas de Caín, no tengo trabajo. I'm going through difficult times, I don't have a job. Salir el tiro por la culata, which means backfire. Sometimes we are trying to do something and we want to get an expected result, but turns out that we get the opposite. We go otherwise. So we say salir el tiro por la culata or backfire. An example. Me salió el tiro por la culata con ese chico. I just backfired on that boy. He doesn't love me. No me quiere. A todo esto or a todas estas. A todo esto would be something like by the way. An example would be y a todo esto, ¿cómo está tu familia? And by the way, how's your family? Or a todas estas, ¿cómo está tu familia? By the way, how's your family? Pagar con la misma moneda. To pay with the same money, with the same coin. Okay, this means that in revenge, you are doing the same thing that the other person did to you. An example would be, ese niño le pegó al otro niño, le pagó con la misma moneda. That kid hit the other kid, so he paid him back with the same coin, or he paid him back. Caer bien, or caer mal, which means to like somebody or something, or to not like somebody or something. This is often used when you want to express how much you like a person. For example, ella es muy mala con los niños, me cae mal. She's very mean to kids. I don't like her. Or, ella es muy dulce con los niños, me cae súper bien. Oh, she's so sweet to the kids. I really like her. Ave de paso. Ave de paso is somebody who is staying in a place for a very short time. Ave de paso, which means passing bird, would be the literal translation. Él es ave de paso, solo estará un tiempo en tu vida. He's just a passing bird, he's just gonna be there in your life for a moment. Vete a freír espárrago. And the literal translation would be go fry asparagus. This is a phrase, or this is a saying that it's often used when somebody needs to go mind their own business somewhere else or stop bothering somebody. Vete a freír espárragos. Go do something else. Buscarle la quinta pata al gato, or buscarle las 5 patas al gato. To find the 5th leg of a cat. Okay, this means you are trying to find the 5th leg of the cat if you keep on misbehaving. Sabérselas todas más unas. To know it all. We always know that kind of person who always thinks that he or she knows everything, but it turns out that this person doesn't. So we say, Pepito es molesto. Él cree sabérselas todas más unas. Pepito is quite annoying. He thinks he knows it all. Me quito el sombrero. I remove the hat. It means that when you are very surprised by a situation or a person, you remove or you take off the hat. Me quito el sombrero. Eres excelente en matemáticas. I just take off the hat. You are very great at math. Very good. El que no la debe, no la teme. Which means if you don't owe it, you don't fear it. This means when a person wants to prove innocence or wants to be pleaded as innocent, he has a point or she has a point to prove that he or she is not afraid of showing the truth. Juanito no le engañó. Él no la debe, no la teme. Juanito didn't cheat on her. If he doesn't owe it, he won't fear it. La risa es el mejor remedio, which is laughter is the best medicine. Sometimes when we are feeling very stressed out or when we are annoyed or angry, we just feel like, okay, somebody might make us laugh or make us have a good time, and we disconnect from that from the reality, and we feel like laughing all of a sudden, and we feel better, don't we? La risa es la mejor medicina. Larga ausencia causa olvido, which is long absent, soon forgotten. If you don't text your friends, if you suddenly get lost because you're studying, you're working a lot, they will say, larga ausencia causa olvido. Long absent, soon forgotten. Las mentiras tienen patas cortas. Truth will be out. In order to be a good liar, you have to have good memory. So this means that when you're caught telling a lie, they will say, las mentiras tienen patas cortas, or truth will out. Donde manda capitán, no manda marinero, which means what the boss says goes. There's always somebody in a lower hierarchy that he pretends or she pretends to be a bossy person, but you say there, donde manda capitán, no manda marinero. What the boss says goes. Entre broma y broma, la verdad se asoma. This is a very Spanish saying that says, between joke and joke, truth will come out. This means that if you're joking too much about something that might be true, it's true. Entre broma y broma, la verdad se asoma. A caballo regalado no se le mira o no se le busca colmillo. Do not check the teeth of a horse when it's given as a gift. When we're given a gift, we don't have to say but. A caballo regalado no se le mira o no se le busca colmillo. Camarón que se duerme se lo lleva la corriente. If you snooze, you lose. We've always had situations where we had very great opportunities, whether it's a good job offer or a great opportunity to be with someone, but we don't take advantage of the situation. So we tend to snooze. Juanito perdió la oferta del trabajo y no puede volver a aplicar. Camarón que se duerme se lo lleva la corriente. Juanito lost the job offer and he cannot reapply again. If he snoozed, he lost. I hope you guys liked the video. If you really liked the video, you can tap on the like button and you can subscribe to get notifications when I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching me and see you on the next time. Goodbye. Adios.